Good morning children, welcome to our science session. In the last session we had to learn about the plants and trees. We know how to grow plants and how to improve their height, size in increase, how do they protect, how do they prepare the food, and how they are preparing food with the help of what type of needs they need the prepare the food. Then in the last session, the plants are important to us. The most of the food is coming from the plants only. In the photosynthesis, they have to produce the food from the plants. In the presence of sunlight and carbon dioxide, they can prepare the food to the plant. In that, the kitchen of the plant is that called leaf. Leaf. What is that? Plant make their food by process of photosynthesis. They use carbon dioxide from the air, water from the soil and sunlight to prepare their food. This takes place in green leaves. That presence in the green substance is called chlorophyll. In the green presence in the leaf is called, that is, chlorophyll. Oxygen is released during this process. When the oxygen is released, when the photosynthesis process are going on the plant, the oxygen will release. And that green, where the photosynthesis is going on, in that green leaves, the photosynthesis prepare the food to the plant in the leaves. Which color is present in leaves? Most of the plants have green in color leaves, and some plants have another color, yellow color. That most of the leaves plants are color in green, and they have to prepare the food in that leaves only. In this time, the preparing the food is preparation of the process is called photosynthesis, and that when the photosynthesis is going on, that oxygen will released. Next, we have to go into the light. What type of food? How can they produce the food? In the presence of light, water, and sunlight, then they can prepare the food to the plants. Now we have to learn in this lesson trees. Trees are big and strong. Woody stem are trunk are called trees. Examples of the trees like peepal tree, mango tree, banyan tree, coconut tree. These are the some examples of trees. The importance of trees. What is the importance? Why trees are important us? Let us will have to learn. That trees gives us economically useful products. What the trees are gives us economically. Economic means money based products. Like we have to export the fruits and wood like furniture to make the wood. That which of these trees are giving? Trees are giving economically useful fruits. Trees gives us gum, resins, latex, medicines. Trees are gives us to what the useful products. What is that? Gum and resins, latex, medicines. And trees gives us fruits, seeds, spices, tea and coffee beans, etc. Fruits are giving to us fruits, seeds, spices to us. Trees providing shelter to various animals and birds. Yes, trees are providing the shelters to the birds. Because of the branches only, the tree branches only, the birds are make their nest. And animals also live in the shelter of the shadow of the trees. And the trees help maintaining the balance of carbon dioxide and oxygen in the atmosphere. What is that? Trees are balancing, maintaining the balance, the carbon dioxide and the oxygen in the atmosphere. And that trees slow down the speed of wind. Speed of wind, thus preventing soil erosions. They help in controlling floods also. Trees are helping the controlling the floods. These are the some examples, some importance of trees are providing to us. And which plants are to be able to plant and why? Where? The plants have different shapes and sizes. Yes, the plants have different sizes and different shapes. Some plants, some trees have tall, some trees have short, some trees have very strong woody trunk, some trees have thin trunk. These are the different types of plants are there. And that some plants are small, some plants are big. And some plants grow straight while some plants are go straight and that spread out. Some plants are go straight like coconut tree, palm tree will go very tall. Like mango tree, banyan tree grow very spread అవుతూ ఉంటుంది వెడల్పుగా. ఎగ్జాంపుల్ కోకోనట్ ట్రీ ఏమైతుంది పొడవుగా పెరుగుతుంటుంది. దీస్ ఆర్ ద డిఫరెన్స్. The trees have different types of shape and sizes. And therefore a suitable place should be selected before planting tree. Yes, we have to select a suitable place. When we plants will keeping that, we have to decide some very useful place. Suppose we have to keep in the near the wall mango tree, that after some days they become grow big, the plant grow change into trees, the roots are going to under the wall, then the wall is broken. Then we have to decide a suitable place when we planting a plant. And then grow places where they get an aquatic amount of air, water and sunlight. And moreover, one more thing also there, where we planting the plants, that they have to, the plant will get air, water and sunlight. In the presence of sunlight only the plants reproduce, the plants prepare the food. Without food the plant cannot grow. Daily we have to pour the water to the plants. We have to decide to available water and available air and available sunlight. Then the plant grow very healthy. We should be careful while planting a tree. We should careful. Particular place. The following examples illustrated different types of plants and different places. Yes, we have the most important most important sentence we have to see. Let us see. We should be careful while planting a tree. Particular place. The following examples illustrate different types of plants in different places. Trees such as neem and kanuga are planted in places such as school premises, yet they are green and provide the shade. And trees such as neem and banyan and dairies can be planted on either side of the road. Yes, we have to plant such as trees like neem tree and kanuga trees, and we have to put in schools and colleges. Because of that, the shadow will give to us. And like trees like people, neem, banyan trees are keep in dairies. It can be planted either side of the road or in drains. Road side anna pettali. Because of that, they have to given to shadow. Next, various vegetables and fruits bearing plants such as lemon, mango, banana, chiku, drumsticks, curry leaves and coconut, nandivardhanam, neem and jasmine can be planted in the backyard of house. Such as which trees are we have to keep? Vegetables plants and fruits plants trees we have to keep on our back side of the backyard ante మన ఇంటి వెనకాల పెరడ్ లో. Which type of that? Mango, lemon, banana, chiku, drumsticks, curry leaves. These are the coconuts, nandivardhanam plants. We have to keep our backward of house. Then we have to pour in the water in the evenings and mornings. They have to grow very healthy. And we can use to us in home like vegetables. We have to prepare curries. Fruits we have to useful to us as a food. These are the most important. And small plants such as tulsi, money plant and aloe vera can be planted in the balconies. And moreover, We have to keep in backward of house these type of fruits and vegetables, and they can use to us. And moreover, another plants also there we have to keep in balconies like money plants, tulasi, aloe vera. These plants are we have to keep in our balconies. We have to take such type of flower pot, and we have to keep soil and clay, and we have to planting in our balconies also. That is called balcony garden, and we have to provide. It is given to healthy air. That is health to our body. Health to our body. See, look at the pictures. I will show. See, observe the picture. These alongside of the road. The trees are alongside of the roads. Two sides road. Above that road have two sides trees. We have to keep like that mango, banyan trees of the roadside. And next another picture also. See, you can observe that the man was pouring the water to the plants. That potted plants in backyard of house. Yes, the man is pouring the water to the plants. That is that they have to keeping water to watering the plants every day. These are that we have to useful to us in our daily life. Then the particular preoccupations to be then while planting. Yes, we have to keep the particulars and that planning also. The given steps should be followed while planting a tree. Select an appropriate plant according to the place, and make sure that plant receives sufficient air and sunlight. Now dig a pit and take out the soil and divide in the soil two pots. The outer surface of the pit contains fertile soil, and that make heap with this soil, and that left side is the pit mix maximum manure. Mix the manure. Half two parts you divide in the soil. One part you half manure will mix the soil, and neem powder or the soil. And now you can put the soil first of the pit before planting tree. We have to put in the pit, dig in the pit. After we have to take out the soil. Then we have to divide into what soil, take out the soil. Two parts. One part we have to mix half of the manure, that is neem powders, and another animals wastage we have to mix. And when we planting the plant, we have to put some of the mixed soil in the before planting tree or plant, and next we have to put the plant. After that remaining soil we can put and fill up the pit. These are that the plant will grow very healthy. And the neem mix the neem powder to the soil. Now you can put first side the pit before planting a tree, and after planting a tree you can fill up the pit and take out the remaining soil deep side, and in the pit the soil not is fertile. Make up a heap on the right side of the pit with this soil. While planting a tree, put this soil on the outer surface of a tree. After planting tree, press the soil down so that the roots or plants do not get exposed to the air. The maintaining enough space between two plants, pour right amount of water in the soil. Plants can absorb the minerals and fertilizers only in the presence of water. Plants do not grow well in the absence or scarcity of water. Yes, this type of we have to planting a plant. It is useful to the plant. The plant will grow very healthy. Okay children, thank you. You should buy the textbooks and complete the worksheets whatever we are sending. Okay na? Thank you.